guys, I'm not sure if you're familiar with this little baby. It's called the Hypercool. It is a cross between a portable air conditioner and a humidifier. Back in the days, my grandma would call it a coolerator. What you do is you put cold water or you put ice in this machine and it lets off a cool air in like minutes. It's really good, $89 to $100. It has the power cord, air vent, water level. It's only 2 feet high. It has the control panel with 3 speeds. You have 0 for off. You have 1 is your lowest speed, 2 medium, 3 would be the highest speed it can go. It has a cool button and a swing button. The cool button will let off the cool air. If you don't have the cool button on, then it can be used as a fan. The swing button will allow the wind to move horizontally. Automatically, you can cancel this function when you press it again, and it will swing the blades vertically, so you can also adjust it manually if you wanted to. So, not bad at all. So if you look closely, you can see it moving from side to side, letting off the air. Now, the water indicator, it has a minimum and a maximum. The water cannot be below the minimum and it cannot be above the max. Okay, that's with the ice and the water. This is the vent in the back that can be removed and cleaned with the proper tool. And this here is the storage area for the water in the ice crystal box or the ice directly. This can fit 64 ounces of water plus that ice crystal box without going over the max. I've done it and it runs for hours that way. Works pretty well. Okay, it's really cool for the price. $100. It's great for small rooms. I use it and I'm doing pretty good with it. It comes with a manual. It also comes with wheels. So if you wanted to move it around, you can move it around. Me personally, I like it without the wheels because I put it on a table sometime or I can have it on the floor. I just like it without the wheels. But I definitely rate this. Please like, comment, and subscribe.